Okay. Crocodile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There he is. He's hiding in the back seat of the Peppa Pig family car. You get out of that car, you silly crocodile. It looks like the crocodile's hiding one more time. Let's see if we can find that crocodile so we can send him home. Where would a silly crocodile hide? Is he in the office by the computer? No, he's not in the office by the computer. Is he behind the bed in the pink bedroom? No, he's not in the pink bedroom. Wait, I think I see something. There he is. He's hiding in the window in the kitchen. We found you again, Mr. Crocodile, and now it's time for you to go home. Good job, kids. We got the crocodile.
Daddy egg, Mummy egg, Peppa egg, George egg, and Daniel egg. Small, big, bigger, biggest.
The final whistle was just the start of an epic weekend away.
This is what you do. When the music is playing, and when it stops, freeze like a statue. Ready, steady, go. Just dance already. This one is still playing. You're out.
You can win.
Moving, George, you're out. Richard and Edmund are out. So Zaza is the winner. You've got a medal. It's made of real plastic gold. Mummy, musical statues is over. Lovely.